Welcome to Bike Insight. Today, we're diving into one of the most dependable and beloved adventure bikes in the world, the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650. Known for its perfect balance between performance, comfort, and practicality, this new model continues Suzuki's legacy of reliability while bringing fresh upgrades for modern riders. Design and build quality. The 2026 V-Strom 650 carries forward its rugged adventure-ready styling, but with a few subtle refinements. The front beak-style design remains a signature look, inspired by Suzuki's DR Big heritage. However, sharper LED headlights, redesigned side panels, and a slightly more aerodynamic fairing give it a cleaner and more aggressive appearance. The bike is built on the same lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame, offering an excellent combination of strength and maneuverability. Suzuki has also improved rider comfort with a reshaped seat and better wind protection. Whether you're touring long distances or just commuting daily, the V-Strom 650 ensures you stay relaxed throughout the ride. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 model is the tried and tested 645 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, now Euro 6 compliant. It produces around 70 horsepower and delivers a smooth, predictable throttle response that makes it equally friendly for beginners and experienced riders. Suzuki has fine-tuned the fuel injection system for better efficiency and mid-range torque, perfect for overtaking or handling steep mountain roads. The engine's reliability has always been the V-Strom's strongest point, and this version keeps that tradition alive. Combined with a 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch, the overall ride feels effortless and refined. Technology and features. Suzuki has equipped the 2026 V-Strom 650 with a fully digital TFT display, offering real-time riding data and Bluetooth connectivity for navigation and call alerts. Riders can also customize traction control settings and choose between multiple riding modes depending on road conditions. Other highlights include switchable ABS, LED lighting all around, a 12V charging socket, and optional heated grips, making it adventure-ready straight out of the showroom. Ride and handling. When it comes to handling, the V-Strom 650 has always impressed with its neutral and stable character. The adjustable suspension and 19-inch front wheel give it confidence on both tarmac and light off-road trails. Braking performance is solid, thanks to dual front discs with ABS that inspire confidence in every situation. Final thoughts. The 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650 isn't about chasing power figures, it's about reliability, comfort, and versatility. For riders who want a dependable partner for touring or daily riding, this bike remains one of the best mid-sized adventure machines available. This is Bike Insight. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of motorcycles.